How to use Trustee Global Card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Trustee Global Card is a versatile financial tool, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce its value. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't understand international fees. The surprising truth is that foreign transactions may carry hidden charges. Check fee structures before spending abroad to avoid surprises. Another common mistake is missing reward opportunities. Trustee Global Card offers points for certain spending categories. Track your purchases to maximize rewards. Many users also ignore online account management. Using the card's portal allows you to view statements, track rewards, and manage limits. Skipping this step can result in missed alerts or opportunities. Finally, beginners often neglect timely payments. Even flexible limits come with interest if unpaid. Automating payments or setting reminders avoids extra costs and protects credit scores. In conclusion, using Trustee Global Card properly means understanding fees, maximizing rewards, managing your account online, and paying on time. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the most value and security from your card.